Okay, so in order
Hello
to
guys, this
understand
video
how
is
polynomial
about the
works,
solution
let's think
of
that
the
we
last
divide
three problems
numbers.
that you can
The
find on the
process of the long
worksheet
division is
on
actually equivalent.
solving absolute value equations. So I'm
The
going to work with
process of
problem number
dividing
4,
two regular numbers. Let's assume
5
I'm dividing
and 6.
2,200
Okay, so I remind you that this process is
so what we
called
do
long
is
division.
ourselves.
The first term you see
Well, we cannot
in
divide
each division is called
two, so we go
dividend,
22, right? So we deduct 22,
and then you always divide the dividend by
5,
something that is called the
so
divisor.
5 times 4 is going to give me 20.
Alright, so if any term is missing, you're supposed to put a 0 there. So for example, if you look at this dividend, you write x cubed plus 3x squared. Notice that x is missing, so you should write 0x, and then negative 7. So here on the left hand side, nothing is missing, so you just write down x squared minus x minus 2. Then you compare the highest degree term, compare the x cubed with the x squared. What's x cubed divided by x squared? Well, that should be x. You can also ask yourself, x squared times what is going to give you x cubed? This is x. Then you use distributive property. You multiply x by x squared, you get x cubed. X by negative x, you get the negative x squared. X by negative 2, you get the negative 2x. And I strongly suggest that you, once you do that, instead of subtracting, you change the sign to these terms, and you just combine the terms. So this will simplify. The first two terms will always simplify. And 3x squared plus x squared is 4x squared. 0x plus 2x is 2x. And then you bring down the negative 7. You can still divide. You repeat the process. 4x squared divided by x squared is 4. You use distributive property. 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times negative x is negative 4x. And 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. You change the sign. Negative, positive, positive. Combine the terms. This simplifies. 2x plus 4x is 6x. And negative 7 plus 8 is plus 1. We cannot divide further, so this is called remainder. So your final answer is going to be this, which is the quotient, x plus 4. But since we got a remainder, you just write 6x plus 1 divided by the divisor, which is x squared minus x minus 2. Okay? Alright, so let's go to problem number 5. So, we have 2x to the power of 4 plus x cubed. The x squared is missing, so I'm going to write the 0x squared, and then we have plus x minus 1. We need to divide this by x squared plus 2x minus 1. So we compare the first two terms. 2x to the power of 4 divided by x squared is 2x squared. At this point we use distributive property. 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the power of 4. 2x squared times 2x is 4x cubed. And 2x squared times negative 1 is negative 2x squared. We change the sign. Negative, negative, and this becomes positive. So now, this will simplify. X cubed minus 4x cubed is negative 3x cubed. 0x squared plus 2x squared is 2x squared. And then we bring down the x and the negative 1. So we repeat the process. Negative 3x cubed divided by x squared is negative 3x. We multiply. Negative 3x times x squared is negative 3x cubed. Negative 3x times 2x is negative 6x squared. And negative 3x times negative 1 is positive 3x. We change the sign. Positive, positive, negative. This will simplify. 2x squared plus 6x squared is 8x squared. X minus 3x is negative 2x, so we bring down the negative 1. We can still divide one last time. 8x squared divided by x squared is 8. So this becomes x squared. 8 times 2x is 16x. And 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. We change the sign. Negative, negative, positive. And we combine like terms. Negative 2x minus 16x is going to be negative 18x. And then negative 1 plus 8 is plus 7. And therefore your final answer from here is the quotient, which is 2x squared minus 3x plus 8. And then we got a remainder which is this.
So what do we do with
So
numbers? We
plus
divide this, right? We divide the
negative
number
18x plus
here
7 all divided by
the
the
number side. So we can do the same thing.
divisor, which is x squared plus 2x minus
In
1.
other words,
Okay?
x times what is going to be minus
Alright, so last problem is an application. Voltage is related to the current I and the power P by the equation V equal P over I. We know the power, we know the current. How do we find the voltage? Well, voltage is P divided by I, so we need to divide T cubed plus 9T squared plus 26T plus 24 by T plus 4. So we can use long division. So we write T cubed plus 9T squared plus 26T plus 24. Nothing is missing here, so we don't put zeros. And here we have T plus 4. We compare T cubed with T. Dividing T cubed by T gives us T squared. We multiply. T squared times T is a T cubed. T squared times 4 is 4T squared. And we change the sign. So negative, negative. This simplifying. 9T squared minus 4T squared is 5T squared. We bring down the remaining two terms, 26T plus 24. We can still divide. 5T squared by T is 5T, and 5T times T is 5T squared. 5T times 4 is 20T. Let's change the sign. Negative, negative. This simplifies. 26T minus 20T will be 60. And then we can bring down the 24 and we can divide the one last time. 6T divided by T is 6. And then 6 times T is 60. And 6 times 4 is 24. We change the sign. And notice how everything simplifies in this case. This cancel out, so we get a remainder of 0. A remainder of 0 means that our answer is only given by the so it's given by the quotient, which is a T squared plus 5T plus 6. Okay? So since we want to find the voltage is T squared plus 5T plus 6.